Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how you can uh, redirect the page dynamically without using the form HTML element or without using the anchor element. So before showing that, what I meant is, suppose if I click on any text, so on clicking on that text, if you want to redirect to some other page, how you can do dynamically using jQuery. Okay, so as of now you can see, as of now you may have done that. There is a form in their HTML element, and by clicking on this you are just redirecting to the different page, or you have an anchor tag. Upon clicking on that anchor tag, you are just redirecting to the different page. But not today. I will show you how you can redirect the page based on clicking on certain div or any text. So upon clicking on any text, if you want to redirect to a different page using jQuery, I will show you today. Okay, so before showing that, I will show you how you can redirect a page using form. Okay, so suppose this is my div. As of now, I have just made it commented, and now I have this form. Okay, so I have this form, and by using this form, as of now, the action attribute have nothing inside the form. So I just want to insert the action value using dynamically using jQuery. Okay, so as of now the action attribute is empty. So by using jQuery, I just want to insert the action attribute. So how can I achieve this? So by using this, so this is the anchor ID. So what I will do is, first of all, I will just make it commented. Okay, so this is the so this is the jQuery code for in order to redirect the page in order to insert the value inside the action. So this is the btn id. So this is the btn id of form. So where is that? Yeah, this is the btn of submit. So upon clicking on this submit button, what it will do is it will just insert the action attribute value inside the form, by which you can redirect it. So btn dot click, if I click on button, what it will do is it will take the id of form. This form underscore id is the id of form. Okay, id is equal to form id. So upon clicking on this btn, this submit button, what it will do is it will call a function, and it will take the id of form, and it will insert the action value. So this is the code dot attribute. Which attribute you want to insert? Action. And what you want to insert? Page3 dot html. Okay, so using jQuery, what we have done is we have inserted the action value. Before inserting, what it was empty. Now that action value is containing page3 dot html. So now if I go, now, now if I go, suppose I have inserted something. Now if I click on submit button, what it will do is it will redirect to page3 dot html. Okay, what it will do, it will redirect to page3 dot html. Okay, so this is what I just want to show using the form. So this is by using the form you can redirect to some other page. Okay, so now I will show you using anchor tag. The main aim of this video is I just want to show you how you can redirect the page using a normal text without form or without anchor tag. Before showing that, I'm showing you with the form and as well as anchor tag. Okay, now I have this anchor tag. As of now, this anchor tag, where it is redirecting, it is redirecting the page1.html. As of now, what I want is I just want to change the href value dynamically using jQuery. Okay, just want to change it using dynamically. So what will I do is, so just uncommented it. What you can do, you can take the anchor tag id. Anchor id, I have given the id of this anchor tag is anchor id. Okay, now what it will do is it will take the attribute value and it will take the href what you want to change, and it will take the value of that attribute page3.html. So initially what it will do is initially it will redirect to page1.html. Now what we have done is we have changed from page1.html to page3.html. Okay, now it will, if I save it, now it will redirect to page3.html instead of redirecting to page1.html. So if I click on page1, still it will go to page3.html. Okay, so what we have done, we have changed it dynamically. We have inserted the href value page1.html, but using jQuery we have changed the href value. Okay, so this is using the anchor tag. Now I will show you how you can redirect a page using a normal text or using a normal div. Okay, so what I will do is I will just uncomment this div part. So what this div is doing is inside the div we have the h1 tag named page2 and we have the submit. This is not a button, this is just a text. Okay, I just want to show you upon clicking on certain text how you redirect the page from another using jQuery. Okay, so this is just a text submit. This is not a button. I've just given the name submit. But so this is the code by which you can redirect the. So this is the btn value. This is the IDN and this is the ID for this submit button for this submit text. So if I click on, we can just call this function and we can call this method window.location.href. Basically window store all the location of the href value. What we are doing is we are just inserting the page3.html in that. Okay, so as of now we don't have any redirection. Upon clicking on that submit button, what it will do is it will insert the location of the window, what it is, page3.html, and we are returning false. Okay, so this is not a button, this is not an anchor tag, and this is not a form. This is just a simple text. Upon clicking on that, we are just redirecting it to page3.html. So suppose if we go to page2.html, if we refresh that, then we have the submit text. See, this is a text, it is not hovering over it. So if I click on that submit text, it will redirect to page3.html. So yeah, you can do this also. Apart from anchor tag and apart from form, you can also do this using jQuery. You can also redirect the page using a text only by using the jQuery. There is one more code by which you can also redirect it to a different page. So this is some different method. Upon clicking on that btn button, what it will do is it will call a function. It will prevent the default event and it will just insert the URL page3.html, and that location we are just inserting that href value. Okay, so this is also one more way in order to redirect the page from one page to another page using jQuery without any anchor tag and without any form. So now if I go to page2.html and refresh it, so if I click on that submit button, then it will go to page3.html. Okay, so yeah, so this is the video. This is just, I just want to explain how you can redirect a page by clicking on certain text using jQuery. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please subscribe the channel and please share it to those who are in it. Thank you.